Knock knock.
Who's there?
It's the new dev diary.
First of all, we've added a new feature to the phone book. With the new Find Duplicates function, you can easily find multiple entries for your contacts and merge them, without losing any historical data. If you are a heavy filter user, you will love this one. With the new filter presets, loading your favorite filter settings is just a click away. We've updated our integration with Avinode. From now on, you can configure Leon not only to download quotes, but also to synchronize quote statuses. If you change the quote status in Avinode, changes will be reflected in Leon.
And that was the key highlights of Sprint 134. If you want to know more about Leon, please check our LinkedIn page and YouTube channel.